guys! After Fujifilm, birthday photoshoot tayo! Let's go!
Of his celebration held at Mount Sabrina Mountain View Resort. So the motif is which is blue. Ayan, makikita niyo yung design, napakaganda at very demure, very cutesy. At ito na, magpipicture na tayo. Mag-start na tayo yung picture ng ating mga details. At you will see more of this in his pictures in my page. So ito yung cake niya at ito pahapon na at ito yung mga bisita niya. May malaking tent, umbrella at merong pika-pika. Meron din silang inflatable playground which is nag-enjoy talaga ang mga batang naglaro, nag-slide at ako din nag-enjoy tumingin sa napakagandang view ng Mount Sabrina. At look who's here, lemon on the go. Napakasarap ng refreshment juices ng lemon on go. So book them at merong pika-pika din. Nag-enjoy din ng mga bata sa pa-bubbles ni Adi. At ito yung family ni Sean. So they are very generous at napaka-humble ng family nila. At ito na pag night time. So ito na yung mga pictures ni Sean. So ang iba ay nasa page ko. Thank you for watching, guys.